Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for Tuesday, 9th March 2021. So this analysis is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. And please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis because I try to bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay. So the first stock for today is JP Morgan Chase. Okay. So you can see that JP Morgan Chase has closed at 152.91 yesterday. And we can see that JP Morgan Chase has also a resistance on the daily chart at 153.46, and it is trading just below the resistance for last 4 days, or we can say that it is struggling for the last 4 days to cross this daily resistance, but it is unable to do so. So what should be your strategy for the day? Your strategy for the day is wait for the stock. Okay, wait for the stock to cross this daily resistance at 153.6 level. In case there is a gap up opening, then you should wait for at least 30 minutes. Okay, then let the stock settle down a little bit. Okay, let the stock feel comfortable above this extreme resistance. And if you see that after 15-30 minutes the stock is comfortable enough and the resistance has become the support, then only you should go for a buy order. On the other hand, if the stock opens below 153.6 level and it give a breakout, okay, if there is a breakout, then also wait for 15-20 minutes minimum. Let the resistance become the support, let the stock trade comfortably. Okay, then only go for a buy order. Okay, this level for JP Morgan says 153.6 level is very crucial. Okay, there is a good resistance at this level. Okay, so the next stock for the day is ExxonMobil. For ExxonMobil, you can see that it took support at the 59.88 level and given a closing at 60.87 level. So the strategy is simple. If you get the stock above 61.64 level and if the trend is in your favor, you can go for a buy order. Okay, buy above 61.64. The next stock for the day is Microsoft. For Microsoft, you can see that it has crossed the support available at 228.5 level and the last traded price is 227.39. Okay, so what should be a strategy for the day? Your strategy for the day is if you get Microsoft below 226.49 level, okay, if you find a stock trading below 226.49 or 5 level, okay, and if there is some good selling pressure, if you spot some good selling pressure from the sellers, then you can short the stock for a target of 224. 224 is the target. So the next stock for the day is Walt Disney. For Walt Disney, you can see that Walt Disney has closed beautifully at 201.91, crossing the daily resistance which was at 198 level, 198.3 level. Okay. So if you get the stock today, if above 102 point, sorry, 202 point, what is the level? Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, this level. Let me draw a line and it will be easier for me. Okay, what is the level? Okay, if you get a stock above 203 level, then you can go high. You can buy the stock for target of 206. 20 buy above 203 and come out of it by 206. Okay. I'm extremely sorry because my I do not have any professional setup. Actually, I do not get time. to edit my videos, and actually I simply just record the videos and upload it. I do not even replay the videos, so I'm extremely sorry. Okay, please do not mind. Okay. I'm just sharing the analysis. Okay, so please do not mind. Anyways, the last stock for the day is Mark. For Mark, you can see that there is a resistance available at this point, 74.7 level, and the stock tried to cross the resistance yesterday, but it failed and ultimately closed below the daily resistance. So what should be your strategy for the day? Your strategy for the day is simple. If you get the stock below 73.2 sorry 73.36 level, okay, I mean if you get a stock below this level, you can short the stock. If you see that there is some good selling pressure, okay, then you can short the stock. And on the other hand, if the stock opens between 73.3 and 74.7, I mean if the stock opens between this range, okay, and if you see that the stock is trying to trying to go up, and if you see some good struggle at 74.7 level, okay, we know that there is a resistance. Okay, so if the stock move or goes up today, there it will face some resistance again. And if you see that it is having some pressure, okay, there the resistance is still there, the stock is struggling to cross the resistance, then if you spot some good reversal sign like price rejection from above, then you can short the stock again here. So these two are the levels you need to look for. One is a 74.77 level. If you spot some good rejection from above, you can short the stock, or if you get the stock below 73.36 level, you can short the stock for a target of this level. So these are the stocks that you can trade on 9th March 2021, Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. And if you want to check the analysis, and you can also check the US market analysis playlist on my YouTube channel and backtest the data so that you get to verify, okay, my analysis. Anyways, thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and good luck.